Birds often fly and gather on rooftops and equipment. Bird activity can impact health, daily operations, and the bottom line because of the droppings they leave behind. Premium PE netting from BirdX is the professional choice for managing bird access and protecting property structures. Crafted from high-density polyethylene, premium PE netting resists water, UV exposure, mold, and flame. It won't absorb moisture, ensuring it remains lightweight, stable, and durable over time. Designed for versatility, premium PE netting can be installed in a wide range of environments, from warehouses and loading docks to facades, rooftops, and courtyards. Its knotted design maintains strength and shape under tension, providing long-term structural coverage where it's needed most. Installation is straightforward with the right tools and hardware, ensuring a secure fit every time. BirdX Premium PE netting is our highest grade exclusion solution built for lasting performance. Available in classic black and select sizes in stone, it comes in 3 mesh options: 1/4 inch, 1 1/8 inches, and 2 inches, to accommodate various bird sizes and application needs. At BirdX, we provide a complete line of professional-grade installation tools and hardware, everything required for a strong, dependable netting setup. Choose from net ratchet crimp tools, ring tools, pneumatic ring tools, and precision cutters, each designed to make installation efficient and professional. Our hardware line includes mounting cables, ferrules, turnbuckles, net rings, eye bolts, spikes, brackets, and anchors for virtually any surface type. For pest control operators, BirdX offers site survey tools that simplify planning, estimating, and specifying materials for each unique property. When properly installed, premium PE netting helps restrict bird access to protected areas, minimizing ongoing maintenance and preserving building integrity. The netting allows light, airflow, and moisture to pass through while providing long-lasting physical coverage. For routine maintenance and inspections, BirdX zipper access panels allow easy entry without removing or altering the netting. Built to perform across a range of environmental conditions, premium PE netting delivers dependable protection year-round. Keep your facility bright, ventilated, and protected with premium PE netting from BirdX. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.